everyone, Sarah here today. Welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new here. So I got my new Happy Homes kits from Mercy Tiara Kits. It just got here in the mail last night, and I thought I would do a unboxing for y'all before I actually dove in. So here you see the little newsletter that we get when we get it. It has the sketch. It has places for you to tell stories of the month, list of stuff to find, tools, all sorts of stuff, some helpful journaling prompts, places for you to sketch. I love having that every month. Let's see, and I'm sorry if you hear my cat in the background for some reason. He is not happy with me because I won't let him sit in the middle of the table. So, and I know a lot of y'all have seen him before because he likes to do that. I took everything out of the box because for some reason, the post office actually had my address wrote in black permanent marker on the outside of the box. And that wasn't from Tracy and them. So I'm not sure. I love this though. I just noticed this because I have not gone through it yet. There's this cute little stamp on here and it's two geese or ducks. Let me see if I can get that close enough so you guys can see it. Do you see that? Is it gonna focus? Not gonna focus. Let me see. Come on, focus. It is not gonna do it, is it? But it's two little ducks. And the cool thing is, if I'm not mistaken, I can peel it off and use it. So it'll end up somewhere in some of my scrapbooking this month too. Okay, let me move some of this to the side. And I think I'm gonna start with the main kit and then we will move to the other items. And I see another stamp, so that's kind of awesome because I can find a way to put those in my scrapbooking. So there's another one of the stamps. This is, I don't want to rip it. Yay. Okay. These are the wax seals for this month. And I know we had gotten these for a good while and then we hadn't got them for a bit. But look how stinking cute they are. They have gold on them, like colored over the items. This is a house, and then there's the feather and the florals and the moon. I love that. They've already got the sticky piece on the back. All you have to do, if I can get a hold of it, is just peel it off. So those are awesome, great layering pieces. Again, another stamp that I can use, and it peels off easily, so I can also use the glassine bag. So that works for me. Makes me super happy. I can use it all. Ooh, the pretties for this month. The confetti mix is gorgeous. There's some little flowers in it. The greens and the browns and the white. Ooh, I can't wait to play with that. You also get the Echo Parks frames and tags from the family collection. Let's see here. I know that sounds horrible. I'm sorry. It's probably loud. Let's see. I know I usually... Oh, hey, there's a mess on my desk. Ink and stuff. It's fun. Okay, let's see here. I am going to put a lot of this in here. There's a little flower. Oh, that's one thing I do like. They have it to where you can break them away, and so you have multiple pieces. I do like that. So there's a frame with some words. I'm not going to go through all of it. I mean, I'll put it in here, but I'm not going to say what all of them are. Oh, I like that. The sayings are cute. I used to just cut some of them out when they were like this, and I could use these for background pieces. It is a tag, so that works too. The cute little butterfly. These all have little things for you to pop out up here at the top, so you could use their tags. Another one that has the frame on it. There we go. I love... I'm gonna throw things apparently, but I love this color this year. I don't know why, but I do. Another one that has a frame, some more beautiful little pieces. Put that off to the side. We also have these foams, stickers from Simple Stories. They're in coral, which will go great with this. So I love that. I do have a hook like right here on my pegboard, so I just hang it straight up on that. And it's right there when I want to use it. So... Okay, let's get into the page. Ooh, you get a whole 12 by 12 Echo Park sticker sheet as well. Cute little couch. I love the baskets, the plants. cute little banner pieces. And I always love like the border pieces too. And cute little sayings. I like that. That's cute. I like that. Okay, here is Front Porch. I do like this color, the pink on pink. I love a cut apart though. So many easy ways to cut these things apart and add them as layers on on a layout. Or you can do pocket pages or do some kind of grid layout. I like that. Oh, okay, we're gonna move that to the side. This is from Echo Park. I love the books. I am a reader. I love to read. Ooh, and I love that yellow. Another Echo Park. I'm loving this color too. So I guess maybe it's just the time of year. They're warm colors. I love the purpley mauvey color. So these are another set of cut aparts. Great for adding dimension to pages, layers, and everything. I always love to do that. Another one of the yellowy orange papers, colors. My brain, y'all, I don't know what it is lately. It's just not working correctly. Words aren't wording. There's just too much going on. Maybe it's the time of year. The colors are fantastic for this time of year, and my brain doesn't want to work. There's just too much going on. These are cute. Those would be cute to cut out some of these for a layout. Even a card though, putting some of this on the front of a card would be really cute too. Loving that color. Look at the florals. And there's little mushrooms in there too. How stinking cute is that? And then that is the back side. Oh, that's pretty. I love these flowers. It kind of makes me think of Maggie Holmes a little bit. And I love this plaid. That is absolutely gorgeous. And then this, you could cut these out easily, or you can make frames out of them if you want. I mean, use both the center, and then when you cut around this, you can cut around the outside and use it as a frame. That is up to you. I like all the cute little sayings. This is us. Home is the starting place of love, hope, and dreams. Love makes this home. Today's moments are tomorrow's memories. Life is sweet. I like that. Those are cute. And that is the other side. Let's see. We have more florals here. We do have quite a bit of white. I like that. I mean, you can't tell because I flipped the pages over, which is funny. I keep leaving it on the patterns like that. I really like that. That's cute. I like the color. Ooh, more frames. Little ones that you can cut out. It has more of this deep purple. I'm gonna be honest, for years I've been wanting companies to use, and I have ink on my fingernails, use more of this deep plummy purple that is in here, or eggplant, or whatever you want to call it. But that deep purple I love, and it's so hard to find in collections. You don't really see it. This is from Cartabella. Gorgeous flowers. I really love those, and the bright white, and I like the snowflakes on like the pinky background. That's so pretty. And then the last page, fussy cutting all the way, just something I like to do. And then the other side is this pinky color. So I like that it's not like themed straight towards Christmas. I know last month's was, which was awesome. I still have some of that left because I am still I have all those layouts that I created, and I want to be able to add some stuff to my layouts once I add my pictures to it. And so I still have plenty to do that. And so I'm excited about that. I can't wait to actually be able to stick my photos on. I really got to go get some printed now. But anyways, I'm going to move on to the Happy Home cardstock add-on. We have white textured basil. Let's see, what is this called? Oh, it's just basil white, which is perfectly fine. We got the basil white. We have coral cream. Trying to get it out here, sorry. We have aqua, if I can get a hold of things. And then we have My Colors by Photoplay in Craft. I love the craft too. That's going to be fun to play with. So that is the cardstock add-on. Let's see. And yeah, I'm putting them all back in their containers. And I do any of y'all use these paper bags for anything? Because I like to keep mine and use them. Sometimes I will put them on a layout and fold them into something, but you can also make like little books out of them. Anyways, and then this is the Happy Homes pattern paper add-on. So you guys have seen all of this, so I'll flip through pretty quick. I love the fact that there's 2 now so that I can go ahead and fussy cut and not worry about not having some of the paper. So we're going to go ahead and just flip through this pretty fast because I like to talk a lot and it seems to make the videos long. I apologize, but I was really, really excited. I really am loving this purple. I was just really excited to get my kit. I know that there's a postal strike going on and everything, and so Tracy and them, her and Scott are doing everything they can to make sure that we all get our stuff. So I thought that was really sweet and awesome of them. So there are the pattern paper add-on. See, told you I like to run my mouth, talk through the entire thing of showing those. Just did a quick little flip through. Let's see. Oh, new this month. Let's see if I can get this up here. I love the Mercy Tiara sticker too. We have pocket cards. I love them. Again, color. They are single-sided. Oh, look at the cat. I love fall most of all. True, true. I like cooler weather. So, oh, it's a cozy up with a book kind of day. 100%. Just some little decorative ones. Great for layering, adding some journaling. I can't talk. Or adding a picture in between. It's awesome. Look at the colors. Cozy mode. Cozy vibes. Easy to... I could throw that in my typewriter and type on that one. The little house, the florals, the cute little spots there. Oh, I like that. This is people, place, details. Love that. Makes it way easier to do your journaling. Great place for you to stick a photo and some, or embellish and journal. There we go. Now, currently loving. I love that. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I don't know why I keep flipping it over. And then you also get some grid cards. And then that is a different grid and another grid. So that is that one. Let me see. I believe that one is the Happy Homes pocket cards. And the ones I'm fixing to show you are the holiday pocket cards. So that is the next one. We got both of them this month. I don't do a ton of like Project Life or pocket scrapbooking. I use a lot of my cards, even the cut aparts from like Simple Stories or all these other companies. I like to use those cut aparts as layers. I like to use them in my planner and stuff like that too. So that's usually what I end up using mine for. This is All I Want for Christmas. I love that. Oh, there's a nice little cup. Naughty, and I know it. Look at those stinking cats. How cute is that? I love that. Oh, more watercolor looking there. Santa, why you be judging? Weekend plans, watch Christmas movies. I love that. Is so funny. There's another Merry and Bright, 'Tis the Season, a place for a photo. Those are so cute. I like the little shape there. They did this one like kind of in the Happy Homes. You got a little place for things and some place for journaling, and then there's another card there. Of course, the red cup. I mean, that's everywhere, right? Who hasn't gotten their red cup yet this year? Another Christmas trees and presents, please. Our faves. A little more watercoloring. Oh, I love that. Great title card. Ooh, I really like that. You can do all sorts of things with it, but obviously, like for me, I would go ahead and cut them in strips, and that would make it so easy to add to any of these or to a scrapbook layout. Love that. And then you also go ahead and you get the grid cards again. I love that she adds these in there, because even when I'm doing my planner or my layouts and stuff, it's nice to have just the light pattern on pattern, if that makes any sense to anybody else. I like having that light or white in there to break it up, but it doesn't have to necessarily be completely white cardstock. Again, that may just be me. Sorry. All right, and then we have the embellishment kit. I'm gonna bring this back out. Ooh, We get a couple of washies. I am guessing, oh, there's 2 there. That is uber thin. Whoa, that's nice. I don't think I've had one that thin before. Nice. So you get 3 rolls of washi tape. I really, really like those. Those are so cute. I get another stamp. I will peel that off. Sorry for making you guys watch that, but it doesn't take too long. So now I have 3 stamps. And they go with the collection. And this says home. I do really like that. I really love this color though. And another glassine bag. So always happy about that. And then I have the puffy stickers from Echo Park. Little flags and everything. I love all of that. So that's going to be awesome. And then these stickers. I like the little typewriters. It reminds me of like little old typewriter keys. So, and they're puffy. So I really, really love that. So since I have ran my mouth for so long, I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. I was excited to get into it and unbox it all so I can actually go and start playing. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Make sure to come back. I'll have a video up here shortly of my first layout. Bye. Make sure to go check out the links below too so you can grab your own kits. Bye.